Here is an engineer from one of our customers, a proud user of ToolsNet and TechCover services. It's some time since his company installed ToolsNet, and during the weekend, the IT team performed an update on the servers. Now it's Monday morning, and after trying to open ToolsNet, he realizes something is wrong. Oh no, that can't be good. It seems he has no access to ToolsNet and his reports. Don't worry, the TechCover Health Check has already detected the issue and notified the Atlas Copco help desk. And help is at hand. The TechCover heroes rush to save the day. Well, at least that's how we feel. Okay, that's more like it. But anyway, here's one of the help desk engineers assigned to help this customer. She has already received the notification from Health Check and is working on it. She calls the customer to let him know about the problem and to inform him that they are already working to find a solution. Shortly after, the good news arrives. It seems there is a compatibility issue, which can easily be fixed with a ToolsNet update. With a clear to-do list, the TechCover team set out to fix the issue. Connecting remotely, the help desk engineer implements the fix and tests the outcome. Now for the moment of truth. Yes, well done! The problem was solved before it became a real issue. And it seems the customer is happy about it. The system is running again. There was no data loss and no big delays.